Hi, and welcome to my website, An Applied Chiropractic. Our goal is your health. But what does health really mean? For me, health means getting out of pain quickly. Secondly, it's addressing the other issues that sometimes go unnoticed. It might be insomnia, depression, high blood pressure. And thirdly, it's about addressing your needs right now that your body is wanting. Applied kinesiology, or professional applied kinesiology, is the unsung hero of talking to your body. This is my specialty that I've been practicing for over 18 years now, and I'm a certified diplomate and teacher of applied kinesiology. What is muscle testing and applied kinesiology? Well, there's many different forms out there, and what I'd like to tell you is really the bridge between science and the unseen world. With professional applied kinesiology, you have a trained doctor, somebody who knows what normal body functions and science is, and then uses the sensitivity of the body's reaction to a muscle test. So for example, if you have a shoulder problem, I'm going to test all the rotator cuff muscles and stabilizers around your shoulder. And then according to what I find that doesn't work, or maybe something that's either too strong or too weak, I'm going to go in there and identify what do I need to do to make those muscles work correctly. So this is the art and the science of applied kinesiology. So it could mean addressing a chiropractic nerve supply that innervates that muscle, or a Chinese acupuncture meridian that tones that channel for that muscle, or trigger point therapy for a spasmodic muscle, or origin insertion therapy for maybe an extremity joint of that muscle, and many more options out there. At the end of the day, it's not so much of a question as if, but when those muscles are now normal functioning, that your pain should be dramatically reduced. And that's my goal. This is actually relatively simple to do, and it's really the follow-up that becomes more important, as what are the things that make those muscles stop working right? And here's where we go into the deeper levels of health for you. Muscles are related to many different things, but they're really a reflection of the inside of your body. And so a trained professional applied kinesiologist is tracking down, like a detective, what comes back, what doesn't come back, what's new, what's different, and all those levels, the viscerosomatic levels, the neurological levels, which are related to organs and related to other tissues. And after a while, it becomes pretty apparent of what your constitutional weakness is, or what you need help with. Applied kinesiology has been around since 1964, and it's really the cutting edge of science. Unfortunately, there's so few doctors in this area that practice that, but over in Europe, we have an ever-growing field of applied kinesiology. You have my website here. You can also go to International College of Applied Kinesiology, USA.com, or just ICAK.com, and you can read and learn a lot more about this modality. What I'd like to also say is muscle testing is a science, and it is an art. At the College of Applied Kinesiology, we have over, I believe, over like 100 peer-reviewed published journal in some aspect of muscle testing at this point. And we're ever doing more and more and more in regards to cutting edge and research when it comes to doing something better, testing more accurately, or the applications of what we find. More importantly, it's about the mixture of science and helping you to be better. So it's that bridge where science is good, but we also, our main goal is to help you feel better quickly. And this is the most important thing. When I look at chiropractic as an awesome, great tool, but I see so often it lasts longer than you need in order to get out of pain. And when you specifically utilize the body's system of muscle testing and looking at the physiology and the muscles and the innervations and the acupressure and all the other components, I usually on average can help someone get out of pain in a third or at least a half of the time. And I'm also empowered, and I can empower you with advice and things to do to try and help create a permanent and lasting correction for those things. And the last thing that I focus on for health, I would say, is with muscle testing, we can also find out where your body is wanting or needing help right now. So in other words, utilizing, for example, in traditional Chinese medicine, the 12 channel theory, we're able to address through the muscles and the meridians the most deficient and needing help energies of the body. And so by then going to those areas and helping to treat those areas, we're raising your immune system, your body's function, to help treat that. And that is really the prevention of disease and helping you to avoid having a problem in the first place. So I encourage you to call and make an appointment, even a consultation, and feel better today. Take care.